Alright, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone and welcome back to Authentic Media. So in this particular video, we are going to be talking about the latest updates in cPen network. So if you know you participated in cPen and you are still participating in the ink mining, then you have to pay attention to this particular video. Even though you are not still participating in the ink, but you were once a cPen ecosystem miner, you still have to pay attention to this particular update. So the team behind this project has requested us to go ahead and complete a second phase verification on this particular project. As we all know, we have already done our KYC initially. That was during the era of cPen distribution and listing. But coupled with the ink token that we are currently mining right now, they are asking us to go and re-verify our identity. The reason is very simple. Like, the reason behind this verification is very simple. They just want to keep track of those people that are still with them so that their ink token will not go to the hands of, let me say, inactive people. Yeah, inactive people. That is people that are no longer following up, make it make sense, because all these big boys in the game, a lot of them are not still active, are no longer active in the project, but their downlines are still working. So they don't want anything for those such set of people. So for you to be able to receive your ink token during distribution and listing, you have to go ahead and re-verify your KYC. So that is exactly what I'll tell you guys in this particular video, and how to get it done is very, very simple, like easy peasy. All right, so if you know you are following up in this particular project, you have to pay close attention to this and re-verify yourself, So like I said, they just want to make sure that the token goes to the rightful people that are still following up and supporting their ecosystem. So now, how do you do your KYC? It's very simple. All you have to do is just to click on this KYC portal that you are seeing in your dashboard. But before you get all this interface, you have to make sure that your cPen application is up to date. If it's not up to date, head straight to either your Play Store or your App Store and update it. Then you will get this interface. So once you click on this KYC, let me tap on it. As you guys have seen, my own has been verified. The reason is because when I tried to do this KYC, my recording was not really capturing, because it requires liveness check. Understand? So that was why I was unable to do it. But the verification is very, very simple. They don't need any identity, any ID card or whatever. All they will request for you is just for you to select your country and you verify your face. Very simple. You are going to get your account verified. But before you can be able to get the portal to do your verification, sorry about that error message, guys. Before you can be able to get the portal to verification, to do your verification right here, you have to make sure that you have been mining consistently for 10 good days without missing a day. So you have to mine back to back consistently for 10 good days without missing a day. Then this particular portal will be open for you. So if you guys take a look at my screen, you can see that I've been mining for 12 straight days without missing out. That was why they gave me this particular KYC. I just verified my own KYC before doing this video, because I tried to record when doing the verification, but they didn't accept it, because it's a kind of sensitive something. So if you mine for good 10 days, you can go ahead and do your KYC right here. They will just ask you to select your country and place your face within the screen and do short video, and they will just capture it automatically. Your account will be verified like this. So that is just all that is needed for you to be able to get your ink token. So they just have to make sure that you are still actively participating in this particular project. So that is the reason why I will always advise everybody, if you know that you are following up in any project that you are into at all, and you believe in that project, always pay attention to details, always pay attention to the information, because this particular verification, a lot of people will still miss out on it, because they don't really pay attention. Then once the distribution and listing starts, they will start running hectare scatter. We saw a lot of it during Celia mainnet migration. If you don't pay attention to updates, informations like this will just pass you by, and before you know what is happening, you will see that the verification has already ended, and at the end of the day, there will be nothing for you. So if you know you are in this ink mining, go ahead and do your KYC verification. Maintain 10 days mining, and go ahead and verify yourself, so that you'll be on the safer side. And I will still drop the link to this particular project in the description section and comment section of this particular video. So if you're interested, you can just go ahead and join. Let's watch and see how everything turns out to be at the end of the day. So after verifying your KYC, the next thing is for you to go and connect your wallet, because you have to connect your wallet where you are going to be receiving your ink token that is during distribution. Information is reaching us that the distribution will be happening anytime soon, though there's no actual date yet, and the team has not said anything about it. But nevertheless, you just have to make sure that you put everything in order and be on a safer side. Whenever the distribution kicks off, you will know that you are good to go. All right, so if you click on wallet right here, you can see BSC wallet address. Important, the BSC wallet address will be used for token distribution. So the address you paste right here is where they are going to be sending your ink token for you. So most of us still have the same address that we used to receive our cPen during the listing. So if you still have access, to that particular wallet address that you used to receive your cPen, probably the one right here, you can go ahead and leave it. It's your choice. But if you don't, you can go ahead and impute another wallet, the one that you have the secret phrase, you have the authority over it, and you are not missing out on anything. So for me, I have to just go ahead and add my own wallet, because I don't really have any wallet right here. Alright guys, so sorry about the distraction in the background. So I just have to go ahead and paste my own. So for me, I've already put out the wallet address that I used to receive a cPen, because I don't really have access to the code anymore. So I have to put a fresh one right there. So all you have to do is just to go and bring your BSC wallet address. That is your BNB wallet address, because cPen, everything cPen is under BNB. So you can do this from your MetaMask, your Trust wallets, any of your non-custodian wallets. You can just go ahead. That is your decentralized wallets. So you just have to come right here and click on BNB. Then you click on the wallet address that you have right here. Right, so this is a BSC wallet address. You tap on it, then you just come back and paste it right here. So tap on enter BSC wallet address, paste it, then click on save. Alright, so let me take this out, then click on save, and I will just wait for them to save my wallet. Alright guys, you can see success wallet address saved. So I've already saved my wallet address, and if you take a look at my screen right here, you can see that it has already been saved right here. So you can just decide, if you currently have the one that you don't have access to, you can go ahead and remove it and put the one that you still have access to and save it. Alright, but if you still have access to the one that you saved right here, just leave it that way. You don't really have anything to worry about. So these are just the latest updates in this particular project so far. Alright, so that is just basically the update right here in this cPen ink mining ecosystem. So just go ahead and complete a 10 days mining streak, do your KYC and connect your wallet, then continue mining the ink token. So that's just basically the update right here. So thank you guys for watching. Do the needful and be on the right track. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now, and take care of yourself.